This tutorial will take you through the simple steps for entering a sale on Equibid, Xera's equine auction platform. Start by logging in with your email and password. If you need assistance with registering or resetting your password, we have additional tutorials on our help page. When you log in, you will land on the auction calendar page. This page will allow you to filter live and timed auction events using the filter panel. You can also toggle between today's auctions and upcoming auction events. To view additional information about any sales event, click on the event name or photo to view the event details page. The button on the bottom left of the event card may say Inventory or Catalog, depending on the auction house. Clicking it will bring you to a list showing all of the horses in that event. There is an Attend button on the bottom right of the event card. This button will generate your sale credentials. A pop-up will appear showing your approval status and credit limit. Please call the auction house directly if you need assistance with approval or credit limit. A list of each auction house's contact number is located on our help page. If you are approved to bid and have credit, the Attend button will appear on the pop-up. If the sale has not started yet, the Attend button will not appear until the sale opens. You have now entered the simulcast sale and may bid. Note that you can view upcoming HIPs on the bottom left of the screen. Additional information about the HIP currently being sold will be on the top left of the screen. The right side of the screen will have a live stream of the auction and, most importantly, the bid button.